Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Join me today as I clean out another drawer in my bedroom. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. First of all, I want to thank my sweet friend Melinda here on YouTube. Her channel name is Melinda Plain and Simple. Thank you so much for putting today's Tiny Tidy playlist together. Check out her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below. I hope you find some motivating and inspiring Tiny Tidies today. And Lily wants to say, do you want to say something, Lily? Do you want to say hello? Lily's really liking Tiny Tidies lately, but I am moving. I think this is episode 7. And so today I'm going to do this drawer, and I have long sleeve t-shirts and shorts in this drawer, and I need to put the shorts away in my closet. Honestly, this year I wore shorts up until November, so I'm not really, I know it's January now, but I'm not really that far behind in putting them away. And I have some that I need to declutter, and I really don't want to because I love them, but I cannot wear them anymore. So I know it's time to let those go. So I'm just going to, and then I have like long sleeve t-shirts. So I need to go through those, see if I can declutter any. And then I'm gonna add some more long sleeve t-shirts into that drawer. To be honest, I do not navigate to this drawer very often when it's not a warmer month because I'm just not really into long sleeve t-shirts. Occasionally I like to put one on, but it's just not something I grab in the cold winter months. So that is one reason why I kind of forget it's there, but I do need to do that one. So let's go into my bedroom, see what it looks like before, and do all the fun things. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the drawer that I'm doing today. Let's open it up and take a look. So this is what it looks like. I have some long sleeve t-shirts on this side. They were nice and neat, but of course they are not at the moment. And then on this side, I have a whole pile of shorts.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. This is a mistake.
Started out just by removing all the items from the drawer and giving it a good wipe down.
No more, 'cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water.
Now I am just sorting my shorts by color and folding them so that I can put them neatly away for the rest of the winter.
Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run.
I'm just taking all of my shirts, unfolding them, sorting them by color because I do love to store my items by color, and then I'm just going to refold them and put them back in the drawer.
Promise I won't forget. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be,
Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I only have the long sleeve t-shirts in here. I have plenty of room for them. I folded them so that you could see the back, because with most long sleeve t-shirts like this, the writing of what it is on the back. So I put it so I could like put it in there so I could see it. Like that one says Salty Dog, that one says Topsail Island, that one has a whale, so I just know which one I want to grab. Okay, so I just wanted to take a minute and show you guys the items that I decluttered. The first item is this Vineyard Vines Christmas shirt. I had a couple. We used to like all get these as a family every year, and I ended up with 2 of these, so I do not need 2 of these. So I kept the green one and decided to declutter the blue one. Then I am decluttering this shirt. I think I've had it for like 10 years now, and I don't ever wear it. So I think it's time to say goodbye to that one. Then I have this shirt. I got this when we went to Treasure Island in Florida, and it's just too big, and most of these are oversized, but this one is just a little bit too oversized, so I'm going to declutter that one. Again, with this one, got it on a trip, and it is just too big, so I cannot see holding on to this one. This one again is another college shirt that I am going to go ahead and declutter, because I mean, honestly, if you can see this one, it has stains on it because I've had it, like with some of my other things, I've had it for so long, but it's time to say goodbye. So I am going to go ahead and say goodbye to this one. I know it's a sad day, isn't it, Lily? It's a sad day to say goodbye to the shirt, because I do love it, but like when you start to see stains and it's older than I want to admit. Like when I mean older, I mean it's older. So it's time to go ahead and declutter that one. This was another Christmas shirt. Again, it's too big, and I did not wear it at all this holiday season, so I think it's safe to go ahead and declutter that one. And then I'm really sad to declutter these Lily Pulitzer shorts. They are too big, and I mean, honestly, I'm happy that they're too big opposed to too small, but I tried to wear them, and I just, even with a belt, they're just too big. So I'm going to go ahead and pass these on, and hopefully someone can find joy. I loved just the texture of these and the pattern. So I hope they bring their next owner lots of happy memories like they did for me. And then this little pair of just like travel shorts that are a little on the big side. These shorts that were popular like 2015, 2016, I still wore these occasionally to clean in or just around the house, but I just decided that I have an overflow of shorts, so I need to let these go. These shorts too, they're just like a linen short, but I just do not wear them anymore, so I'm going to donate those. And then sadly, I have another pair of Lily Pulitzer shorts, and I love the pattern on this one. It has these little, the colors in it are so pretty. These were so me. They looked so good with like these shorts and like a solid print shirt, whether it was this blue or teal or even orange or hot pink. Lily. She has to get in these videos. But I had so many like vacation pictures taken in these shorts. But again, they're too big, and too big, if you're going to have a problem, too big is a good problem to have. So hopefully the new owner of these will find just as much joy as I did. So let's count how many items I am getting rid of total. So 11 items total. So I'm really excited about that. And now I know that even if it's a long sleeve t-shirt, if I want to grab one out, I know it's gonna fit. I know I'm gonna like it. And the same with my shorts. I had to make some tough decisions, but I could not wear those shorts because they were too big, and I was just hanging on to them for the memories and because I liked them. But now I do not have to worry about that. So I feel so much lighter, and I have a nice clean drawer, and I decluttered some things as well. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Just remember, you can accomplish so much in just a few small little tiny tidies. If you have 5 minutes to clean out a drawer, just take 5 minutes and clean out a drawer. You don't even have to do the whole drawer, but just do a little bit, and a little tiny steps go a long way. But thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.